On August 15, at the sunny San Salvador Manor Hotel, the Exploring China Jacknkings food tasting event and the establishment ceremony of the China El Salvador Catering Association was successfully held. Guests gathered on site, including representatives from politics, business, academia, media, and dozens of local catering companies, witnessing a cross-border feast. When the Salvadoran youth dressed in hanfu slowly served squirrel fish, spring rolls, and handmade glutinous rice cakes, the delicacy and deliciousness of Chinese food amazed the audience. Melodies intertwined with Eastern cuisine, beer and laughter intertwined, and Eastern and Western cultures talked at the dining table. With the continuous enhancement of China's soft power, the popularity of Chinese cuisine is sweeping the world. Jacknkings has boarded the global express train of Chinese cuisine, moving forward rapidly, and is willing to cooperate with the world's catering industry to share the prosperous vision of Chinese cuisine.